Hey guys, it's me, Giselle. How's everything? Hope all is well with you guys. Okay, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. It helps the algorithm. So let's get right into this, okay? And this is Giselle's Beauty Advice, where we give all things beauty and reviews. Okay, so today I am actually going to go over a really beautiful lip balm, lip gloss, lipstick that has went viral. It's actually, honestly, it says Volumizing Glossy Balm. And apparently what this is an all-in-one lipstick, lip gloss, and lip balm. So it's not as pigmented as a lipstick, but then it's supposed to be nurturing and hydrating as a lip balm. Which is like my, my lip balms that I usually use, Christian Dior or Chanel. Find out which one I like best, but they're both good. Okay, and so they're supposed to be like a lip balm to give you that hydrating feeling, and then also it's supposed to give like a color as well, and also delivering a high shine. So it's an all-in-one lip gloss, it's an all-in-one lipstick, it's an all-in-one hydrating lip balm. Okay, so this is why this thing is viral, and it's a really I chose the color Lucid. Silk and Lucid was one of the two I feel that went viral the most, and it has like a shine and maybe a pinkish whatever. So I chose Lucid for the lip balm. Okay, and then what I did for the dupe, because listen guys, this particular Hourglass lip balm is $36, whether it's Sephora or Ulta. I'm not sure what in Amazon as well. I didn't go to Hourglass, but I'm sure it's the same price. .com. But anyway, so this is, like I said, the Phantom Volumizing Lip Gloss in Lucid color, 36 bucks. Okay, so I got this, but I also wanted to get a dupe, so I did a little bit of research, and I found out that the closest dupe that comes to this, which is supposed to be the closest color that I tried to find, is by SHEGLAM. This is about $8. Some people got it cheaper for like $6, I think, but it's $8. And you can get it, I believe, Amazon or maybe SHEGLAM.com, Ulta. I'm not sure what Ulta has it, but anyways, you can just look it up. Google, it's your best friend Google. Anyways, okay, and it's supposed to be exactly the same thing. It's supposed to be a dupe. A dupe is supposed to be something that's very much equivalent, but for a fraction of the price. Okay, so I'm going to try this on, and I'm going to also try this on, and you guys let me know what you think. So let's see. Let's go ahead and get this review on and popping. Okay, let's take this out. Cute, beautiful, aesthetic. Gold is my favorite color. It's weird that gold is even considered a color for some, but I like. Anyways, whatever. So this is how pretty it is. You take that off, you twist that. Keep in mind, I don't have any lipstick on. I don't have any lipstick on. Okay. So I'm going to try this. Tell me what you guys think, okay? There we go. Ooh, okay. Oh wow, is that pretty? Oh, and it's beautiful. It does feel nice. Seems like a little bit goes a long way. How does that look? You do feel a little bit of tingling. I guess it's supposed to be volumizing, or maybe a hint of minty, but I don't smell the mint. Let me see. I don't smell anything that's minty, but you feel a little tingle, but it's nothing out of the ordinary. So what do you guys think about this? You see right there? I'm going to show you something. You see? You can even see it. How clear it is. But yet so impactful, so bold, but very ever so light and I don't want to say flirty, but you know what I mean? Just cute. Cutesy. That's the word, cutesy. Right? Okay, so let's try. So let me know what you guys think about this. It's a beautiful color. Very pretty. So I'm going to wipe this off. Let me get my makeup remover. Hold on. Okay, so I just put some of this makeup remover. So it should be completely off. And you see I'm going to wipe this off so it doesn't show anymore, okay? And then I'll use a double reinforcement and go in with napkin. Okay. Alright, let's go. I'm going to go ahead and try SHEGLAM. Again, this color is pink Flamingo. I don't know if you guys can see that. Alright, okay, good. This is a dupe, guys, so you let me know which one you like. $8, $36. You can get them from Ulta, you can get them from Sephora, you can get it from Amazon if you don't want to walk inside the store. Okay, so tell me what you think, okay? So I'm going out in a little bit and let you know which one I ended up wearing. What do you guys think? Listen, it feels almost identical. So, oh wow. Interesting. Do you see what I mean? It's not a lipstick. It's not a lip gloss. And it's not a balm. Right? It's all 3 in 1. That's what they're saying. You right? So this is a dupe to this. $6. You save $30 if you get this one. They're pretty much the same size. Look at that. Right? Pink Flamingo, Lucid. Hourglass, Lucid, $36. SHEGLAM, Pink Flamingo, $8. And you probably can get it for $6 if they have them on sale. I think this is beautiful. I think this color is gorgeous. Beautiful as well. I think this is beautiful. But am I going to pay $36 when I can get this for $6 or $8? I'm not knocking this. I love this. I think it's beautiful. But why pay $30 more and I can get the same? I'm thinking that's the verdict. What do you guys think? Well, let me know what you think in the comment section. So I like this, but for the price I would choose this. But they both feel moisturizing, soft. You can't tell the difference. Like if they have put both of these inside of a blue case and told me try it on, tell me which one you like, I couldn't tell the difference between how it feels, the color. It's beautiful. It's really nice with what I have on. And look, I'm going to do that test that I did. This was, okay, see I left, this is the Lucid Hourglass, just so you can get an idea. Maybe my lips already being pink doesn't do justice to like one coat and it shows up more pigmented. But this is how one coat looks when I, remember I did like that with Lucid. I'm going to do the same thing on this for the SHEGLAM. Look. Do you see? I don't even know if that makes any sense. This Hourglass, this SHEGLAM. Do you see what I'm saying? See, I'm a little bit. where's the difference? SHEGLAM wins. Price, and it's equivalent to this. I am not by any means of the measure saying this is not beautiful. This is gorgeous. This is everything is beautiful. So is this. 36 bucks. If I had to choose and make a verdict, there's nothing else to differentiate. The gloss is there, the pigment is there, the balm and the hydrating of the lips is there. The only difference is the price. So you choose which one you like. I would do SHEGLAM, especially if I'm on a budget, and or just, you know, why pay more if you can get the same thing for less? All right, guys, let me know what you think. But these are the two colors I thought that came closest to each other, as you can kind of see again. But it's beautiful. If you want something that hydrates your lips, and go ahead and you can choose Hourglass, you can choose SHEGLAM, but if you're on the budget, look up SHEGLAM. All right, great dupe. Talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.